Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure mobile data limit on Google Pixel Fold. And to do this, first thing is to open our settings. Then make sure that you're on top of the page and you should be able to find network and internet. Right here there's SIM card settings, we're gonna click on that. Then scroll down and here's data warning and limit. We can activate set data limit. Click on OK. Now it's activated. We can change the limit itself by clicking on that. Then pick between the megabytes and gigabytes. Keep in mind that 1000 megabytes is 1 gigabyte. So in this case, we're gonna go for 5,500. Then next options are set data warning. You can activate it or deactivate it. When it's activated, you will receive a data warning when you reach a certain limit of mobile data. Now it's set to 2 gigabytes, so that means when I use 2 gigabytes of internet, I will start receiving mobile data warning. And the last option is to change the usage cycle reset data, and this will reset this mobile data on a certain day of the month. In this case, we're gonna go for the first one like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.